a psycho in my head. I'm closer to the edge, making me feel like I'm living in misery, misery, insane. These voices in my brain, starting to feel like it's gonna be the death of me, death of me. There's a psycho in my head.
And here it is. Just as soon as I came home from work.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 701 has been issued from 5:05 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Gage, Lancaster, Saline, Saunders, and Seward. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Well, there we go. That's 701. So I'm assuming that number 700 was issued somewhere else. Nick of time too, because I just got back home from work just like an hour ago, and now here we are. I did see there was one that I think it will show up here in a minute because I just hasn't showed up yet. Just gotta take a minute. Alright, there it is. Wait, another watch is needed soon? Okay, never mind. That's for Kansas and Oklahoma. Oh, is that? That's for my office. So why is it strange? Okay. Yeah, I saw this one. 699. And, that was at the time that I was at work. So, well, we got two interesting events, coming here. We got this one today. The slight risk. And then, of course, most EAS fans know. The National Periodic Test. Oh, God. Okay, well, there's a lot of stuff going on over there in Hastings over there. Already some tornado warnings. We might see those today. But, so not every county is in this, I think. I think it missed Odo. It missed Odo, Douglas, Cass. Okay. Everything is moderate except for the tornadoes. Okay. So, it may be a pretty tame event. Well, we might see some big ones in a time or two, but, yeah. I just need to do, right now, relax and, but, good thing I came back from work. I mean, like, we had an earlier round, it was just rain, but now it's, clear as day, but not for much longer as we're in this watch. But, let's see what transpires in this event.
Locations impacted include Columbus, David City, Schuyler, Madison, Humphrey, Clarkson. Damage is likely to Valparaiso, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbus, David City, Schuyler, Madison, Humphrey, Clarkson. For
These two are going almost identical at the same time, almost simultaneous.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Madison, Saunders, Seward, has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Butler, Saunders, Seward, and Stanton.
Just when I was about to take a shower too, this thing came up. But this is actually pretty significant. And I think, let's see what this one is. Okay, it's for here. Well, we gotta get ready for that in case one does transpire. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, I missed that. Frick. Actually, I think they might actually broadcast that right now. Actually, I think they are. Who's it for? Alright, we'll be able to get this one.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Hastings. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
Surprise, mother...
Never frickin' mind!
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska.
I think that's me.
Seward County
I think it
in
said
southeastern
northeastern.
Nebraska, southeastern Butler County, southwestern Saunders County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Benedict to 6 miles south of Waco to 3 miles north of Fairmont, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Well, that's northwestern.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Let's get this one. We don't worry about
Expect
that.
damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seward, Milford, Utica, Valparaiso, Beaver Crossing, Malcolm, Staplehurst, Garland, Pleasantdale, B, Goner, Cordova, Emerald, Branch Oak State Recreation Area, Pawnee State Recreation Area, and Tamara. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 300 State Recreation Area, and Tamara. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 392 until 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
McCarthy.
Well, that scared the crap out of me. I didn't even see that one coming. Well, I think by the way that these storms are moving, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fast-lived. Because that one was the other one was moving at 80, this one's moving at 60. Yikes. So I might have to get the computer camera out for this one. Because this one may be a quick one.
The National warning for southwestern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, southeastern Platte County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Dodge County, northwestern Butler County, southeastern Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Platte Center to 4 miles west of Bellwood to near Surprise, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Columbus and nearby areas. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Schuyler, Clarkson, Dodge, Howells, Bellwood, Lee, Duncan, Richland, Lakeview, the Highway 15 and 32 Junction, Fishers Elementary, College View Trailer Park, Camp Pawnee, Shell Creek Elementary School, Central Community College, Lake Babcock, Camp Luther, and Lake North. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northeastern Nebraska. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Benedict to 6 miles south. Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Nebraska: Cass and Sarpy. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Nebraska: Cass and Sarpy. Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Lancaster, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
Crap! Oh, shoot!
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Butler County, west central Saunders County, until 8 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Brainerd, or 8 miles southeast of David City, moving northeast
crap.
at a tornado warning
Oh, here we go.
southeastern Butler County, west central Saunders County, until 8 p.m. Indicated threat at 7:26 p.m. A severe thunderstorm will be dangerous and the tornado was located over Brainerd, or 8 miles southeast of David City, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Windows and vehicles. Expected hazards include tornado. Tree damage is likely. This is a radar-indicated threat of a storm will be near. Brainerd around 7:30 p.m. will be dangerous to those caught without shelter by this tornadic thunderstorm or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur in an interior room on the lowest floor of a likely building. thunderstorm shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Avoid windows. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. In a mobile home protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning has been issued. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Unfreaking believable right now.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Saunders. Saunders and Seward.
Holy crap.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
No way we freaking got that right now. Oh, shoot. Dude, that legit caught me off guard, dude. Sorry about my dogs. Holy crap. I knew it was coming, but oh my god, I didn't know it was gonna happen. Oh my god, dude. Oh, that's close too, that's close. It better not go down here.
To 4 miles southeast of Omaha, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
This is a normal one.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect damage
I highly
to
doubt
roofs,
anything's gonna go off of that.
and trees.
Just deal with this.
Locations impacted include Crete, Friend, Dorchester, Western, Tobias, Denton, Swan Creek Reservoir Number 2, the Highway 41 and 15 South Junction, Walnut Creek Recreation Area,
What was that?
Blue River
Oh,
State
frick.
Recreation Area, Conestoga State Recreation Area, and Willard Mine Recreation Area.
Oh,
For
okay.
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Saline, and Seward.
Oh man. Whew. Okay, this is go off on these radios in a second.
Cedar Bluff, Valparaiso, and Meade.
Saunders is in it as well, so they're gonna go up in a minute.
To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, Seward, Stanton, Thurston, and Washington. Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the
hang on a second. I gotta find this. Oh, tornado. Okay, the tornado warning expired. That was quick. Assuming it was not tornado probability, I'm assuming. Okay, so that diminishes. I don't know when they're gonna issue it on these radios, but we'll wait. Here's the watch expansion.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson and Odo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson and Odo. Severe thunderstorm watch number 701 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties.
Guess they're not issuing it, I guess.
Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Len, Garland, Pleasantdale, B, Raymond, Davie, Gunner, Lincoln Airport, Emerald, Branch Oak State Recreation Area, and Pompey State Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 371 and 403. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
I really gotta stay from stores right now.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burke, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, Seward, Stanton, Thurston, and Washington. Garland, Pleasantdale, B, Raymond, Davie, Gunner, Lincoln Airport.
My camera's gonna die.
The National Weather Service area has issued a severe thunderstorm area. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 371 and 403. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Give me a break, my camera's gonna die for heaven's sake. I need to charge it. Good grief.
Swan Creek Wildlife Management Area, Alexandria State Recreation Area, Rock Creek Station State Historical Park, Cum Creek Recreational Area, Crystal Springs Campground, Rockley Creek Recreational Area, Camp Jefferson, and Gladstone. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Jefferson and Saline.
Okay, nothing.
County, northeastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Washington County, eastern Dodge County, western Douglas County, eastern Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska, central Saunders County until 9 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Winnebago to 6 miles west of Decatur to near Craig to near Inglewood, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles
Hey,
per
SB.
hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fremont, Blair, Wahoo, Sakema, Bennington, Elkhorn, Ontario, Missouri Valley, Logan, Oakland, Arlington, Mapleton, Sutan, Fort Calhoun, Lyons, Waterloo, Walville, Whiting, and Cedar Bluffs. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 68 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burke, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, Thurston, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison and Potawatomi. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burke, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, Thurston, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. The conditions are favorable for the development of.
So yeah, I think that was just a regular one. Let's see. Yeah. So, looks like all of this is slowly dying down, so I don't think I don't think much more is going to be issuing, for much longer. So. Okay. Right as I said that.
Storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Western to 4 miles northwest of Jensen to 5 miles southwest of Endicott, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Jefferson.
I take that back
Saline,
completely.
and Gage counties. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I was incorrect big
Severe
time.
weather has been confirmed by emergency. At 8:10 p.m., the storm produced 82 miles per hour in gusts and families. Waterloo, Wallfield, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. This includes Interstate 29 will be terminally damaged. 68 and 125 damage to roof. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Damage and power outages. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska. Bird, Cumming, Dodge.
Alright, that's the normal one.
Recreation area, Cum Creek Recreational Area, Homestead National Historical
That one's the
Park,
normal one.
Harris, Crystal Springs Campground, and Gladstone. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Washington County, Eastern Dodge County, Western Douglas County, Eastern Thurston County, and Northeastern Nebraska, Central Saunders County, until 9 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Might not get all of it, but
west
we'll
of
see.
Winnebago to 6 miles west of Decatur to near Craig to near Inglewood, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fremont, Blair, Wahoo, Tacoma, Bennington, Elkhorn, Ontario, Missouri Valley, Logan, Oakland, Arlington, Mapleton, Utan, Fort Calhoun, Lyons, Waterloo, Wallfield, Whiting, and Cedar Bluffs. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 68 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burke, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, Thurston, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison and Potawatomi.
Well, I changed that big time, didn't I, folks? Yeah. Oh, good grief. This storm has a history of producing widespread tree damage in Jefferson County. Impact. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency. This storm has a history of producing widespread tree damage in Jefferson County. Oh, there's rain in my window. Shoot. You hear the rain.
Shelter now inside a dangerous situation. Stay away from windows. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Jefferson County until 9:15 Shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. Until 9 p.m. for northeastern Jefferson, southeastern Saline, and northwestern Gage counties.
That was a PDS SVR, because it said particular. This is a dangerous situation. If it says that's a PDS, usually I get VDSs, but that was a PDS. It's been a while since I've got one of those. Like, and that. It's been a while since I've got those. I got an SVR with that kind of wording. That's probably why. Because of the widespread tree damage in Jefferson. That's probably why. It's which one? Jefferson? It could mean Johnson. Oh wait, it's probably this continuation here. Okay, so everything at Hastings is done. Okay, so we don't need to worry about Hastings anymore. Sounds like this one's also dangerous too. Is a dangerous situation too. Let's see, update number 2. It is. Oh wow. Yeah, you can hear that rain. I don't think it's over yet, folks. We're just gonna at least get a couple more here, and then it's probably gonna be it. But I think the worst of it could be on the other side of it.
County in southeastern Nebraska, southern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southwest of Beatrice to 3 miles northeast of Odell to 4 miles northwest of Bremen, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Beatrice, Wymore, Blue Springs, Odell, and Holmesville around 8:45 p.m. Philly, Barnston, and Virginia around 8:55 p.m. Liberty, Lewiston, and Crab Orchard around 9 p.m. Richard around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Vesta, St. Mary, Rockford State Recreation Area, and Rockford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, and Pawnee.
Gage! Gage? How dare you interrupt me watching Bones?
Vandalize my